Good morning, students. In today's GK class, we are going to study chapters from 41 to 45. So let us start first chapter 41, that is close links. So let us start the question written here. The names in each group below have something in common. Suggest one term for each group that can represent all the names of the group. Here some names are given to you. What you have to do is you have to just write the group name in the blanks given in front of the names. So let us start from the first one. Osho Rajneesh, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, Sri Ravi Shankar. So all these are men of faith. So in the blank you have to write men of faith. Next one, Katrina, Sonakshi Sinha, Deepika Padukone. Okay, all these are actresses. Okay, so here you have to write Hindi film actresses. Now third one, Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan, Tiger Shroff. Okay, so these are actors of Bollywood. So what you have to write in the blank? Hindi film actors. Next, S.D. Burman, A.R. Rahman, Anand Milind. Okay, so these are filmy music directors. So in the blank you have to write filmy music directors. Next, Mani Ratnam, Shekhar Kapoor, Govind, Nihalani. Okay, so these are film directors. So write in the blank film directors. Next, Anita Desai, Shobha De, Doris Lessing. They are novelists. So here in the blank you have to write novelists. Next, R.K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand, Vikram Seth. So these are Indian novelists. So in the blank you have to write Indian novelist. Next, Z.A. Bhutto, Nawaz Sharif, Benazir Bhutto. Okay, so these are PMs of Pakistan. Okay, so in the blank you have to write Pakistani PMs. Next, Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa, J.R.D. Tata. Okay, so in the blank write Bharat Ratna awardees. Okay, these all are the members of Bharat Ratna awardees. Okay, students. Now let us move to the 10th one. Dhyan Chand, Ashok Kumar, Pragat Singh. All these are hockey players. So write here hockey players. 11th one, Shabana Azmi, Samita Patel, Ravina Tandon. They all are national award winners. So in the blank you have to write national award winners. Next, Arun Shourie, Kuldeep Nayyar and Ram. These are journalists. So here you have to write journalists. Next, Sundar Lal Bahugona, Medha Patkar, Baba Amte. These all are social activists. So here you have to write social activists. Next, Helen Keller, Louis Braille, Beethoven. These all are physical disability. Okay, so here you have to write physical disability. Now next one, Kaifi Azmi, Anand Bakshi, Hasrat Jaipuri. These are lyristics. So here you have to write lyristics. Next, R.K. Lakshman, Sudhir Dar, Shankar. All these are cartoonists. So here you have to write cartoonists. Next, Jeev Milkha Singh, Tiger Woods, Arjun Atwal. These all are golfers. So here you have to write golfers. Next, Rohit Bal, Ritu Beri, Tarun Tahiliani. These all are fashion designers. So here you have to write in the blank fashion designers. Next, Adam Gilchrist, Mark Boucher, MS Dhoni are wicket keepers. So write here wicket keepers. Next, Diana Hayden, Aishwarya Rai, Yukta Mukhe. Okay, these are Miss World. So here you have to write Miss World. Next, Matthew Hayden, Kevin Peterson, Ricky Ponting. These all are cricketers. So write in the blank cricketers. Next, C.V. Raman, H.J. Bhabha, Vikram Sarabhai. These all are scientists. So here you have to write scientists. Next, Kapil Dev, Brett Lee, Courtney Walsh. These all are fast bowlers. So here you have to write fast bowlers. Next, Girish Karnan, Vijay Tendulkar, Habib Tanveer. Okay, these all are playwrights. So here you have to write playwrights. Then the last one is Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Sabir Bhatia. These all are entrepreneurs. So at last you have to write entrepreneurs. Okay students, now we will move to our chapter 42, that is special ones. So let us start. We all know that most trees are green, fruit producing and grow tall. Given below are some trees which have some special features. Read the given descriptions and name the trees, picking out your answers from the clue box. So let us start from the first one. It is common in Hampshire, that is in England. Flowers of this tree resemble a species of wasp in such a manner that male wasps are attracted to them. In this process, they carry necessary pollen from one flower to another and help in pollination. So, what is that flower name? That flower name is bee orchid. You can see in the picture also. First picture is of bee orchid. So here you have to write bee orchid. Now, next one. Among the tallest trees in the world, it has the ability to grow from stumps. It is generally found in California. The tallest tree of this tree species is more than 110 meters in height. Even a gateway can be made through its trunk to allow even cars to pass. So, in the next picture you can see in your book that it is a picture of redwood. So, in the blank you have to write redwood. Now, let us move to the third one. It is believed to be a magical plant. Long ago, it is said this strong plant would scream if anyone pulled it up. Its two prolonged roots resemble the human legs. It is used to make drugs, especially to make people sleep. So you can see in the third picture is of mandrake. Okay, so in the blank you have to write mandrake. Now fourth one. This tree produces the largest seed on the earth, which is around 20 kg in weight and nearly 15 cm in radius. Unfortunately, the tree is endangered and may get extinct. Okay, so students, you can see in the fourth picture, this is a picture of Coco Demer. Okay, so this tree name is Coco Demer. Its weight is 20 kg and nearly 50 cm in radius, its thickness. So in the blank you have to write Coco Demer. Now last one. This Madagascar tree's leaves resemble banana leaves. Although its base collects water which spurts out when pierced. It is unlikely that it was needed to quench travelers' thirst, as the tree grows in areas where water is available in sufficient amounts. Okay, so last picture you can see in your book that it is a picture of traveler's tree. So in the blank you have to write traveler's tree. Now we will move to our next chapter, that is chapter 43, Knowledge Bank. Okay students, so let us start. So students, in this chapter, nothing you have to write in your book or in your notebook. Just you have to read this lesson and learn. So let us read this lesson. First one is Utopia, the Wonderland. Okay, this is a place name, Utopia, the Wonderland. Utopia is an imaginary kingdom which first appeared in a book by Thomas More, written in 1500s. This wonderland is free from cares and anxieties and miseries. People have to work only 6 hours a day and have plenty of time for leisure. Everyone lives in a pleasant home and has plenty to eat. However, practical attempts to create utopia have failed. Okay, students, so this is a place where people live and they work for 6 hours a day and also spend time for the rest also. Okay students, and there is plenty of food to eat also. Now we will move to the next place, that is home of anti-cancer drugs. 70% of the plants identified by the US National Cancer Institute as useful in the treatment of cancer are found only in rainforest. More than 2000 tropical forest plants have been identified by scientists as having anti-cancer properties. Okay students, so this is a place of forest where rainfall is very much. So these are the leaves or these are the trees that can be used or that is used for cancer people. Okay, these have been identified by scientists having anti-cancer properties. Now let us move to the next one. You can see one picture of spider is given in your book. So let us read about this picture. The giant spider. Okay, so what it is? It is a spider named the giant. Okay, the giant spider, the world's largest spider, the Goliath bird-eating tarantula, can be found in the Brazilian coastal rainforest. Its potential leg span is about 26 centimeters. Okay students, now let us move to the fourth picture. True friendship. You can see in the picture there are so many dolphins are together. So what they are symbolizing about true friendship, because they all are within group. Some dolphins travel in large groups called pods. If a dolphin is ill or hurt, the others push it to the surface so that it can be still breathe. Okay students, now let us move to the next picture. You can see in this picture there are two fish. So let us read about this picture. The longest migration. Grey whales are known to make the longest migration of any mammal, traveling around 10,000 miles round trip every year in the winter. So students, this chapter you have to just read and learn at home. Now we will start our new lesson, that is lesson 44. What has India given to the world? So let us start lesson 44. So students, this lesson also just you have to read and learn. Okay, so let us start. My India is a great achiever. It has achieved so many things before any other country could achieve. The list of India's contribution to the world is very long, but here we have mentioned only few important contributions of India. So students, these are the India's contribution to the world. So only few things are mentioned here. So let us read that. First one is, India invented the science of astronomy quite early in Gupta period. Okay, what India invented to the world? Science of astronomy. Okay, quite early in Gupta period. Next, yoga and its kinds were first practiced in India only. Next, the first university of the world was built in Takshashila in India. Next, the invention of zero was a big asset to the Indian mathematics. The place value, the modern decimal system, as well as the algebraic system started here first of all. Vedas, the basis of human life and the divine truth, were first compiled by Maharishi Ved Vyas in India. Next, the chemistry was also highly advanced in India. The use of chemical principle in drying cloth and refining iron ore started first here. Next, India was the only source of gems like diamonds till 1896. Next, plants, herbs and metals used in Ayurveda to treat various illnesses is the greatest contribution of India to the world. Okay students, so what you have to do is, you have to just read this lesson at your home. Now we will move to our next chapter, that is chapter 45, India, my holy land. So let us start. Tick against the correct option in each of the following. So let us start from the first one. First question is, which is the largest state in India in terms of area? So here three options are given for you. So first one is Madhya Pradesh, second one is Rajasthan and third one is Odisha. So the correct option is Rajasthan. So tick on the B option. Now next question, where does the Sangam, union of the Ganga and Yamuna rivers, take place in Uttar Pradesh? So here also three options are there. First one is Prayag, second one is Haridwar, third one is Banaras. So the correct option is Prayag. So tick the A option. Now next one is, which of the following are the largest cave temples in India? Here also three options are there. First one is Elephanta Caves, second one is Ellora Caves and third one is Ajanta Caves. So the correct option is Ellora Caves. So put a tick mark on B option. Now fourth one, which language is most spoken in India after Hindi? So the options are Telugu, Bengali, Gujarati. So the correct option is Bengali. So tick put a tick mark on B option, Bengali. Now, fifth one. When does India celebrate Wildlife Week? Here also three options are there. First one is August 15 to 21, B. July 5 to 11, third October 1 to 7. So the correct option is option C. Put a tick mark on C option. Now, sixth one. Which place in India has a nuclear power plant? So, here three options are there. First one is Pune, second one is Kalpakkam, third one is Jamshedpur. So, the correct option is D, Kalpakkam. So, put a tick mark on the B option. Now, seventh one. Name the style of painting that belongs to Tamil Nadu and involves the use of gold leaves and gems. So here three options are there for you. First one is Tanjore, second one is Madhubani, and third one is Mysore. So the correct option is Tanjore. So put a tick mark on the A option. Now the last one. Who is the current Vice President of India? So first one is Pratibha Patil, second one is Bhairon Singh Shekhawat, third one is Venkaiah Naidu. So the correct option is C. So put a tick mark on the C option. Okay student, so this much only for today's class. I hope you have understood today's lessons. So students, till then take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you students.